I told you I'd be back in a minute. What's up? We're back with another look back. I'm just gonna call them look backs, I think, because a look back doesn't really roll off the tongue really well. Anyways, so these next few GPUs that I got, these are from a friend. Oh, that was not cut. They were from a friend. I paid for the shipping, and I got it was like 7 GPUs. It's like 7 GPUs, a motherboard, actually multiple motherboards. I got an i7. I got a bunch of stuff. You'll see it in the next haul, because that's part of the next haul. But this was one of the things. They gave me all the original boxes and stuff. And I was like, heck yeah, I can do videos on this stuff. I can make content. I actually haven't looked at this box. This is really cool. I really like the whole... I don't know. So NVIDIA's boxes are... Well, most GPU boxes in general, they're always usually black or white or... Well, this is gray, but... it's usually black or white, and NVIDIA's is usually black and green, and AMD's is black and red, and it's like, nobody ever does anything different. It feels like even the AIBs don't usually do anything really different. But this is a really cool box because it is different. It is very different looking. It's got a bunch of yellow here. Of course we got the gray, but we have a really unique pattern. We have some red on the back. Still that unique pattern, but yeah. So let's take a look at it. Got R9 380. DisplayPort HDMI dual DPI. Oh, okay. 2 GB of GDDR5. Ghost 3.0 open thermal design. Double dissipation for extended heat pipes. I feel like when you go through and collect so many graphics cards and you have to name ones, like I have one that I have named in my inventory, double dissipation, because that's literally in the model name of it, is that is a double dissipation. I think it's like an RX 480 I have. I have this up. I can bring it up real quick. Okay. It's an R9. Oh, it's a 380. It's an XFX 380. Oh. I guess this is the one I'm talking about, where it has double dissipation in there. Man, I'm stupid. Anyways, but Ghost 3.0, that's a reference to their... So if you've ever seen, I'll probably show a picture on screen or something. There is a... Oh, it's starting to rain. I love rain. Sorry. There is a silver, like, it was like with the HD 5080... The HD 5000 or 6000 series of AMD graphics cards. They had a... XFX had... I am, like, stuttering all over the place with this. XFX had a silver and black themed graphics card, and the cooler name, or at least the cooler, like, what would you call it? I guess the cooler model name was Ghost, because it's meant to be quiet. But yeah, so Ghost 3.0, that's where that's coming from. Anyways, video cards, 230. You wanna know what's really cool? I actually know where this card came from. My friend is the one who bought this card retail price, $230, all that time ago, because they work a decent job in the military. I don't think they're in the military anymore, they were. But that's kind of cool, because you see those price tags and you never think, I wonder where they got it from. I could go and ask my friend right now what store they got it at. It was probably like some, not like a Micro Center or something, some weird place. Because they upgraded their PC and they left me a bunch of parts and stuff. Okay, well there's not really much on the front besides XFX committed to gaming. Do they still use that slogan? Oh, probably be able to hear the rain. Does XFX still use that slogan? Radeon R9 380 Ultimate Gaming Experience. Nothing on the top. This is gonna be a really short one. What's in the box? What's in the box? Sorry. XFX R9 380. That's what's in this box. Good. Installation disc, quick installation guide, driver installation guide, warranty card, two 4-pin to 6-pin power cables. It tells you all the outputs, 2 DVI, 1 HDMI, 1 DisplayPort. Heck yeah. Okay, this is kind of interesting. It tells you all the features as well. PCIe 3.0, 16x16 bus interface, obviously. DirectX 12 ultra realistic 3D gaming. Okay. Bullet physics engine for real-time 3D. AMD iFinity multi-monitor ready. I have an iFinity graphics card. What's an iFinity multi-monitor? Some whatever. AMD GCN next-gen compute architecture. What GCN was this? Was this cheap? I guess because it's 380, it was GCN architecture 3. I don't know. Information to find for another time. PowerTune, second gen, real-time speed optimization. I'm guessing that's AMD's equivalent to NVIDIA's GPU boost. I'm not as familiar with AMD cards and their features as I am NVIDIA's. But that's just my guess. OpenGL 4.0 and OpenCO 1.0. AMD HD 3D. 3. Quad HD/4K video resolution. Okay, that can be a little misleading because people could take that as, oh, this can run 4K. No, it can't. This cannot play games in 4K. It's got 2 gigs of VRAM, my dude. 2 gigs! AMD Zero Core technology. I mean, I guess that's something to do with power management of some kind, where it'll downclock the card and idle in order to lower the power, which, you know, thinking about it, that envious Quadro was probably trying to say the same thing, but just said it really poorly. Blu-ray 3D support. Oh, good. AMD Crossfire multi-GPU technology / dual GPU scaling. RIP. Powered by language standard used on today's hottest game consoles, including the Xbox One, PlayStation 4, and Nintendo Wii. Wow. When was the last time you heard those three together? See, for when I think of the Xbox One and PlayStation 4, I always think of the Wii U being maybe part of that, but the Wii U came so before it that it was like, wow, it's so weird. It's just weird to see the Wii roped into that. I know AMD powers all those with their graphics chips. I think it's an ATI chip that powers the Wii specifically, if I recall. If Mantles is the language, then Graphics Core Next GCN is the translator that connects software. PowerTune technology determines optimal game performance. Oh yeah, Zero Core allows your AMD GPU to consume virtually no power when in idle state. Called it. There's your features. And there's the other crap I skimmed over. Now we just get into it because there's nothing else here. Usually I leave everything in the box, but I don't think they sent anything. I think it was just the graphics card. Oh no, there is stuff. Goodies. I like goodies. Oh. These are Molex. I mean, 4-pin to 6-pin power. I guess that's technically correct. When I think of 4-pin, though, I think of like the 4 pins that went into the CPU. And I don't believe there's a driver disc. Nope, I'm crap out of luck there. Multilingual. We'll get to the graphics card in a minute. Hold your horses. I'm looking at the multilingual installation guide. Guidebook. Sorry. Oh wow. Oh my goodness, they have so many languages in here. English, German, Spanish, Portuguese, French, Italian, Russian, Polish, Turkish, Romanian, Bulgarian, Hungarian, Greek, Czech, Serbian, Croatian, and Hebrew. Okay, that's a lot of really weird, a lot of really weird languages to put. It's just odd to have so many. How long is this guide? Oh my god, the installation crap is only 2 pages. Oh goody. You know, I will say though, this is not the worst guide I've ever seen. Oh wow, okay. They tell you about the front panel connectors as well, which is cool. That's interesting. So they tell you about the different front panel connectors and where the pins are, what they do. Okay, you know what? This guide isn't crap. I recant my statement. Nothing else interesting about it, though. Oh, wait! I have a driver disc! That's 2, baby. I'm gonna have so many driver discs. Installation guide. Oh gosh, remember when Saints Row the 4th was like the game? I remember playing that and Saints Row 3 with a couple of my friends. Not when it came out, but sometime after it came out, like a year. Okay, quick guide too. And alright, we'll get to the thing everybody wants to see, because everybody wants to see it. Ha! Now obviously it has been used, but it's got a gigabyte. Why is this camera having such issues? Okay, hold on. It's got a gigabyte PCIe cover. It's funny. I love it. Anyways, but yeah, no, this is the card. It's really cool. I do like the cooler design. In all honesty, it's very cool looking. It's very unique as well. Which around this time is when everybody, I think, started to go to the route of very cookie cutter RGB, like black and RGB designs. And I mean, yeah, this is black, but it's like a tasteful. It's got a lot of character, and it's got a little bit of silver. I don't know. I like it. Oh, interesting. They the DVI only port is red, or DVI-D. That's what it is. Because this is, I believe this is DVI-D, and this is DVI. Oh, what's the one that's like both that can do for digital and analog? I can't remember. It's like DVI-L or DVI-I. DVI-I, I think that's what it is. Well, I guess that's it. Next video.